I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook Asian green beans. First, you'll want to prepare your green beans. Take about 1 pound of fresh green beans and trim off their tough ends. A quick rinse under cold water ensures they're clean and ready for cooking. Having your ingredients prepped makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. This initial step is crucial for achieving perfectly cooked, flavorful green beans every time. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, like peanut or vegetable oil, in a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your prepared green beans. Stir-fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, tossing frequently. The goal is to achieve a vibrant green color and a tender, crisp texture, with a slight char for added flavor. This quick cooking method locks in their freshness. The sauce is where the magic happens. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. For an aromatic kick, stir in 1 minced clove of garlic and 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger. Once your green beans are tender crisp, pour this flavorful sauce directly over them. Toss everything together quickly to ensure every bean is beautifully coated and infused with these delicious Asian flavors. Almost done. Continue to cook the green beans with the sauce for an additional 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the sauce to slightly thicken and cling to the beans. For a final flourish, sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds or some freshly chopped scallions. These garnishes add both visual appeal and a burst of extra flavor. Serve your perfectly cooked Asian green beans immediately as a fantastic side dish or as a vibrant component of any Asian-inspired meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.